Did you know that the everyday objects we use without much thought actually
have surprising and
interesting histories? Take the toothbrush, for example. It's believed that people have been cleaning their teeth for thousands of years, using everything from twigs to porcupine quills. The modern toothbrush, as we know it, was
first patented in 1857.
with mass production starting in the 1880s. And what about the humble zipper? It was actually invented in 1851, but it wasn't until the 1920s that it became popular for use in clothing. These are just a couple of examples. But every day, objects have fascinating stories that span centuries. So the next time you pick up your toothbrush or zip up your pants, remember that there's
a surprising history
behind these ordinary items.